It's Jason. I'm out in the snow right now. 3 o'clock in the morning. Heavy snow. 3 o'clock in the morning on a Sunday morning. Here it is. See the snow? Look at it come down real hard. See how fast the flakes are falling down? Man, I'm walking. Yep. All the way down to the next street. Look at this. Yeah. Still snowing. Holy mackerels. This is crazy. Look at all the snow up in the pole. Yeah, look at all that snow coming down. Damn. I'm right here. Hello. Right here out in the snow. There it is coming down. Look at all the snowflakes. Damn. Yep. This is Jason out in the snow tonight at 3 o'clock in the morning.